Good morning children, how you all are? Hope you are fine. Okay, in the previous class we started exercise 4.6 word problems. Now I am going to continue that. Okay, let us learn it. See that. Fifth one, a fruit seller bought 1000 apples. A fruit seller bought bought a fruit seller bought 1000 apples. A fruit seller bought 1000 apples. He threw away 28 apples. He threw away 28 apples that were rotten. Next, he packed the remaining apples equally. He packed the remaining apples equally. He packed the remaining apples equally in 36 boxes. How many apples were there in each box? How many apples were there in each box? Okay. Look at that. A fruit seller bought 1000 apples. He threw away 28 apples. Total, how many apples are there? Number of apples. How many apples are there? Number of apples. It's nothing but 1000. 1000 apples are there. In that he threw away 28. Number of apples rotten. Rotten means spoiled. Number of apples left with him. 1000 minus 28. Okay, 10, 9, 9, 0. 10 minus 8, 2. 9 minus 2, 7. 9, here no more number, 972 apples. Total, how many apples are there? 972 apples are there. Here they are asking us to find, they arranged each box 36 apples in each box. So they are asking us to find how many boxes are required. Number of boxes 36. They are asking number of apples in each box. Number of apples in each box means 972 divided by 36. 972 divided by 36. So 36 divides 972. 36 ones, 36, 36 twos, 72. 72. Remainder 5. 9 minus 7, 2, 22, 52. 36, 7's check. 7 6 are 48, 7 is 21 plus 4, 25. So 7 times 2, 52. So how many apples are they arranged in each box? 27 apples they arranged in each box. 27 apples they arranged in each box. See the next one, Amma. See the next question, children. I'll read out. A car takes 18 hours to cover the distance of 990 kilometer. How far does it travel in 1 hour? So, distance a car takes to cover distance a car takes to cover in 18 hours. It is nothing but 990 kilometer. Here they are asking us to find how much distance that car travels in 1 hour. Distance car takes to cover in 1 hour. (990) divided by 18. Those many kilometers. Okay. Divide it with the 990. 18 with the 990, amma. 18 5s 90. Remainder 9 drop down 0. Again 90. 18 5s 90. Remainder 0. So how many kilometers it travels? 55 kilometers. It travels 55 kilometers. See the next one, children. Mr. Mehta paid 3,000 as rent for the desert cooler in the year 2015. How much rent he pay in monthly? They given the year rent and they are asking us to find how much he will pay per month. How much he will pay per month. Yearly rent was given. They are asking us to find for 1 month. So 1 year contain how many months, children? 1 year contain 12 months. So if you divide the given number with 12, you will get the answer. Yes, na? See, check it. Mr. Mehta, amount Mr. Mehta paid per 1 year. Per 1 year he will pay 3,000. Per 1 year he will pay 3,000 rupees. Per 1 year he will pay. He paid 3,000. Per 1 month he will. Per 1 year he will pay 3,000. So they are asking for monthly payment. Amount he pays. He pays in 1 month. So if you divide that 3,000 rupees with the 12, you will get the amount how much he will pay per month. Okay, now divide it with the 12. 12 with 3,000. 12 to is 24. Remainder 6. Drop down 0. So now it is 60. In 12 table 16 and 12 5 60. Remainder 0. Drop down 0. 12 zeros 0. So per month he will pay only 250 rupees for that cooler. For that cooler. Okay, ma? See the next one, 8th one. Mr. Rao had 500 rupees for buying markers for his school. If each marker costs 50 rupees, how many markers he will get with that money? And how much was left over with that person? Okay, see. Cost of 1 marker was given. Cost of 1 marker was given. It's nothing but 50 rupees. But Mr. Rao had 500. He want to buy all the amount with that markers only, and how much it will be the left with that amount. Okay. Number of markers Mr. Rao gets for rupees 500. For 500 rupees, how much he will get? 500 divided by 15. So how many it will come? Those many markers he can buy. Those many markers he can buy with that amount. So divide with the 15 with 500. 15 table which comes nearer to 50 amma. 5 15 ones 15, 15 twos 30, 15 threes 45. So 3 times 45, remainder 5 drop down 0, again 50, again 3 times 45, remainder 5. So 33 markers he can buy. He can buy 33 markers, and at last they asked how much money left with him. Money left with him. Money left with him. How much money he had now? 5 rupees. He had now 5 rupees. After buying 33 markers, he have 5 rupees. Okay, ma? See the 9th one, children. Rahul took 162 sweets to school on his birthday. He distributed sweets all to his 32 children in the class. How many did each one will get, and how many sweets were left over? Total number of sweets was given and number of children are given. Number of sweets, children. So he distributed them. He took for 32 children. For 32 children, he bought 162 sweets. They are asking how many number of sweets one child will get. Number of sweets, one child get, or each child gets. So it's nothing but 162 divided by 32. So how much they will get? That much amount, those many sweets each child will get. Okay, how many are left over also they asked. So what the remainder we will get? That is the remainder, 162. In 32 table, 30, that means nearly 3, it is 16. So 3 5s 50. So it may be nearly equal to 32 5s. 5 2s 10, 5 2s 15 plus 1 16. So 5, 160. Remainder 2. So each boy gets 5 sweets. And 2 sweets left with Rahul. Only 2 sweets left with Rahul. Remaining all he distributed to his friends. Okay, ma? See the 10th one, children. A book of 4 volumes contains 924 pages. How many days will she take to read? A book in 4 volumes contains 924 pages. How many days will she take to finish all 4 volumes? If she reads 36 pages in every day, how many pages she will read on the last day? Number of pages in book. How many pages are there? 924 pages are there. How many days will she takes to read all 4 volumes? If she reads 36 pages every day. Number of pages she will read. Number of pages she read in 1 day. 36 pages. 36 pages she will read in 1 day. But here they are asking how many pages will she read on last day. That means how many days it takes we have to find. Number of days she takes to complete the book. Okay, how many days she will complete to take the book? She will complete that book. 36 divides 924. 24 divided by 36. Lose it. 72 remainder 0 to drop down for 204. 36 means nearly 40. 4 5s 20. So 36 5s it may be nearly 36 5s 6 5s 36 3s 5 times 15 plus 3 180. 5 times 180. Remainder 4 to 24. So in the last day he should how many days she read? 25 days. In the last day she reads how many pages she will read? Every day 36 na, and leftover pages also 36 plus 24. So total how many pages she had to read? 60 pages she had. At last day she had to read 60 pages. 60 pages. Okay children, in the next class I will continue that. Till then, goodbye.